Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia Brera espresso machine. And let's go ahead and make a shot. You can see the bean grinder is shaking like it's supposed to. And I do see one error light, which is the, the light is, the sun is shining, but the one error light is the decalcify light, which can be resolved by decalcifying, and it makes a nice shot of espresso. I'm not getting any errors about not enough beans, so I'm not sure about that message that the customer is reporting. Let's brew another shot. So thank you for watching with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.